Our planet is at a crossroads. We face a critical choice. For centuries, we have relied on fossil fuels. These fuels powered our industries, they lit our homes, but they came at a cost. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere. This leads to climate change, a threat to our planet's delicate balance. We are witnessing the consequences. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. The future of our planet hangs in the balance. We must act now. There is hope. We have an alternative: renewable energy. Renewable energy sources like the sun and wind offer a sustainable path forward. They can power our world without harming our planet. The transition to renewable energy will not be easy. It will require a global effort. We must embrace innovation. We must change the way we produce and consume energy. The time to act is now. The future of our planet depends on it. Renewable energy sources are all around us. They are constantly replenished by nature. This makes them a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Let's explore some key players in the renewable energy revolution. First, we have solar energy. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. Next, we have wind energy. Towering wind turbines capture the wind's kinetic energy. Hydroelectric power harnesses the energy of moving water. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat. Finally, we have biomass energy. These renewable sources offer a glimpse into a future powered by nature. Despite the promise of renewables, fossil fuels still dominate the global energy mix. The transition to a renewable future is underway, but we have a long way to go. Let's look at the numbers. According to the International Energy Agency, fossil fuels account for over 80% of the world's energy consumption. This includes coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels power our vehicles, heat our homes, and drive our industries. Renewable energy sources, while growing rapidly, still account for a much smaller share. Solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass combined contribute to around 20% of global electricity generation. This gap between fossil fuels and renewables highlights the scale of the challenge ahead. We must accelerate the deployment of renewable energy technologies. We need to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. The good news is that the renewable energy sector is experiencing remarkable growth. Driven by technological advancements and falling costs, renewables are becoming increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. The transition to a renewable energy future is fueled by remarkable technological advancements. Let's explore key breakthroughs shaping renewable energy. Solar panel efficiency has significantly improved. Newer panels convert more sunlight into electricity. Wind turbines are larger and more sophisticated. Taller towers access stronger winds. Energy storage is rapidly innovating. Batteries store excess renewable energy. Smart grids balance supply and demand. Section 5. Obstacles on the path. What stands in our way? While the transition to renewable energy is gaining momentum, significant challenges remain. Addressing these obstacles is crucial for realizing a future powered by clean and sustainable energy sources. One of the biggest hurdles is the intermittent nature of some renewable energy sources. Solar power depends on sunlight while wind power relies on wind. Both can be unpredictable. This variability poses challenges for grid stability and reliability. Energy storage is essential to overcome this intermittency. We need efficient and affordable ways to store excess renewable energy. This stored energy can then be dispatched when generation is low, ensuring a continuous power supply. Grid infrastructure is another obstacle. Our existing power grids were designed for centralized power generation from fossil fuel plants. Integrating decentralized renewable energy sources like rooftop solar panels requires significant upgrades to the grid. The transition to renewable energy also faces political and economic challenges. The fossil fuel industry is powerful and well established. It has a vested interest in maintaining the status quo. Government policies and regulations play a crucial role in fostering the growth of renewable energy. Section 6. The price of change: economics and policies. Shaping our future. The transition to a renewable energy future is not just a technological challenge, it's also an economic and political one. Government policies and market forces play a crucial role in shaping the energy landscape. On the economic front, renewable energy is becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels. The cost of solar and wind power has plummeted in recent years. This is due to technological advancements and economies of scale. However, government support is still crucial for accelerating the deployment of renewable energy. Policies such as feed-in tariffs, tax credits, and renewable portfolio standards can incentivize investments in clean energy. Carbon pricing mechanisms, such as carbon taxes or cap-and-trade systems, can also level the playing field. These policies put a price on carbon emissions, making fossil fuels less attractive and encouraging the adoption of cleaner alternatives. International cooperation is also essential. Climate change is a global problem that requires a global solution. Countries must work together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to a low-carbon future. Beacons of hope, success stories from around the world. Despite challenges, some countries are making significant progress in renewable energy. Denmark generates over 50% of its electricity from wind power. Germany aims for an 80% share of renewable energy by 2050. Costa Rica powered its electric grid with renewables for over 300 days. Uruguay generates over 98% of its electricity from renewables. These stories show that a renewable energy future is achievable. Section 8. Charting the course, a roadmap for a sustainable future. The transition to a renewable energy future requires a multifaceted approach involving technological advancements, policy changes, and individual actions. Here's a roadmap outlining the key steps needed to accelerate this transition. First and foremost, we need to massively scale up the deployment of renewable energy technologies. This includes investing in solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass power plants. It also means promoting energy efficiency measures to reduce overall energy demand. Energy storage is crucial for addressing the intermittency of some renewable energy sources. We need to invest in research and development of advanced battery technologies, pumped hydro storage, compressed air energy storage, and other innovative solutions. Modernizing our aging grid infrastructure is essential for integrating large amounts of renewable energy. This includes upgrading transmission lines, implementing smart grid technologies, and promoting demand-side management to balance energy supply and demand. International cooperation is vital for addressing the global nature of climate change. Countries must work together to share knowledge, technologies, and financial resources to accelerate the transition to a low-carbon future. Section 9. Power in your hands. Individual actions, global impact. The transition to renewable energy is not just for governments and corporations. Individuals play a crucial role. By making conscious choices, we can collectively make a difference. Reducing our energy consumption is impactful. Simple actions like turning off lights, using energy-efficient appliances, and reducing vehicle use help. Choose renewable energy for your home. Install solar panels to generate clean electricity. Opt for renewable energy plans if installing panels isn't feasible. Support policies promoting renewable energy and climate action. Contact officials, vote for environmental candidates, and advocate for clean energy policies. Section 10. Looking ahead, can we break free from fossil fuels? The question remains, can renewable energy truly replace fossil fuels completely? The answer, like many things in science, is not a simple yes or no. It's a complex issue with technological, economic, and political dimensions. The potential of renewable energy is undeniable. The sun, wind, water, and Earth's heat offer a virtually limitless supply of clean energy. Technological advancements are making renewable energy increasingly efficient and affordable. However, significant challenges remain. Energy storage, grid infrastructure, and the intermittency of some renewable energy sources need to be addressed. Political will, economic incentives, and public support are crucial for overcoming these obstacles. The transition to a renewable energy future is not a question of if, but when. The urgency of climate change demands that we act swiftly and decisively. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet for generations to come. Section 11, a final word from the cosmos. As we stand at this critical juncture in human history, let us remember the words of the late, great Carl Sagan. Our planet is a lonely speck in the great enveloping cosmic dark. In our obscurity and all this vastness, there is no hint that help will come from elsewhere to save us from ourselves. The responsibility to transition to a sustainable energy future rests squarely on our shoulders. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the resources to make it happen. What we need now is the collective will to act. Let us choose to be the generation that ends our reliance on fossil fuels and ushers in an era of clean, sustainable energy. Let us choose to be the generation that safeguards our planet for future generations. The cosmos is watching and the future is in our hands.